Hey YouTube, this is the Robinhood Investor. Hope you had a great day of trading. As always, I really appreciate your support. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. And if you want to learn more about investing, subscribe to this channel. Today I'm going to go over a new feature that came out recently on Robinhood. Now users can use candlestick charts to help with trading. I wouldn't say Robinhood is the most robust platform, but it's definitely heading in the right direction with features like candlestick charts, analyst ratings. Let me scroll down a bit so just so you know what I'm talking about. Analyst ratings, where you can view buy, hold, and sell ratings from Wall Street analysts. People also bought, where you can discover other stocks investors bought on Robinhood, including competitors, suppliers, and more. Being able to trade options on Robinhood web and mobile. So you can see trade options right here. Trade global stocks, where you can invest in international companies traded on exchanges outside of the US stock exchange, and trade during extended market hours. Candlesticks in particular are really helpful with technical analysis because you can see the price when the market opened, high and low, and the close price for the day, which is really helpful information at a glance that you will not get on a line graph. You can toggle this feature by tapping on the candlestick icon to the right of the 5-year button right here. I'm going to zoom in a bit just so you can see a better view of a candlestick. Let's do 1 week. All right. So if the candlestick body is red, so the candlestick body is essentially the rectangle right here. So if the candlestick body is red, the bottom is the market close price and the top is the market open price. If the candlestick body is green, as you can see right here, the bottom is the market open price and the top is the market close price. Now the thinner stick pointing out of the body is called the shadow or wick. The high is marked by the top of the upper shadow and the low by the bottom of the lower shadow. If the upper shadow on the down candle is short, it indicates that the open that day was near the high of the day. A short upper shadow on an update dictates that the close was near the high. All right, I'm going to zoom out and slide my finger across the candlestick chart. You can see the day price for open, close, high, and low, as well as the volume. The volume is really helpful in technical analysis as it's used to measure the relative worth of market move. If the markets make a strong price movement, then the strength of that movement depends on the volume for that period. A higher volume during the price move, so the higher the volume during the price move, the more significant the move. So as you can see some of these right here. So as you can see the 2 million volume, you can see it's a drastic drop versus something that's smaller. It's a lower volume. So it's not as drastic of a jump or drop. That's all for this video. What are your thoughts on this new feature? Comment down below. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. And if you want to learn more about investing, subscribe to this channel. See you in the next video.